If a prime number x is squared and the result is added to the next prime number greater than x, which of the following could be the resulting sum? We need to indicate all possible values. Let us start by reminding ourselves what the prime numbers are. I'll start the conversation by writing some down. Prime numbers are numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on and so forth. What these numbers have in common is that they have no clean divisors. The only factors of, say, 7 are 7 and 1. There's no other numbers you can multiply together to get 7. Therefore, 7 is in our list of prime numbers. On the GRE, you're going to want to be familiar with the first several numbers of this list, or at least be able to think through what numbers belong here. Once we've got a handle on the kind of options we're talking about, we're going to use the common GRE tactic of just running through all the possibilities. Usually the GRE will be generous enough to not give us an infinite number of possibilities. We'll only need to count up to 69 within the conditions of our problem. So let's consider the conditions. A prime number is squared, and the result is added to the next prime number greater than the first prime number. They're using x to keep you from getting confused. X is the number we started with. Let's start with 2. 2 squared is 4. Alright, so we're asked to do 2 squared plus the prime number that comes after it. So 2 squared plus 3 is 4 plus 3, which is 7. And that is one of our options. Kind of a clue that none of these are going to work, right? Because we've already used the smallest possible prime number. Let's keep going. We can try 3 squared plus the next prime number, 5. 3 squared is 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. This too is on our list, so that's one of the answers. Next we have 5. 5 squared plus the next prime number is 7. 25 plus 7 is 32, but 32 is not on our list. So 7 squared plus the next prime number 11. 7 squared is 49, and 49 plus 11 is 60. This is on our list. Next we have 13. 13 squared plus the next prime number, which I didn't write down, but the next prime number you can convince yourself is 17. 13 squared is 169, and 169 plus 17 is 186. At this point we realize that none of the other two answers are going to work because they're much too small. And we don't need to check any more because we've exhausted all our possibilities. The answers are 7, 14, and 60.